Good morning, all of you. Now, demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. In the last period, we have studied about the merit of Mendeleev periodic table. Now, today we will see now what are the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. The first demerit, the whole number, atomic mass of the element cobalt and nickel is the same. Actually, you see whole number of this means 59 and 59. 59 is the atomic mass number of cobalt and 59 is the atomic mass number of nickel. But actually there are some differences there in between this. If you consider it digitally, it is cobalt is having 58.93 and nickel is having 58.63. So this is also one of the drawback of this. Okay. So therefore there was an ambiguity, or was a doubt regarding their sequence in Mendeleev periodic table. Now, second demerit, isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. What are isotopes? We know that isotopes are the elements which are having the same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Okay, so as isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev periodic table. You see here, we can take the example of chlorine. Chlorine is having this atomic mass number, you see, 35.5 and 37. So we cannot put these two chlorine atom in one block. Okay, so because if we are considering according to isotopes, so then this is one of the drawback. Then third, when elements were arranged in an increasing order of atomic mass, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible therefore to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. So heavy elements means with having with high densities. For example, this mercury and chromium. These are the two heavy elements. Then the fourth demerit was about the position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogens. Halogens means chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Okay, so that is called as group 4, group 7. For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formula of fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2. So there, you see here, hydrogen is written H2, and the member of this group 7, fluorine and chlorine are also written F2 and Cl2. So it was possible to place hydrogen in group 7 also. In the same way, there is a similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals. What are alkali metals? Sodium, potassium, these are the alkali metals. So there is a similarity in the molecular formula of the compounds of hydrogen alkali metals. Sodium and potassium form with chlorine and oxygen. Now see here, what is the similarity of hydrogen and alkali metals? For as you consider sodium, we can sodium is having 11 atomic number. Okay, so we will write 2, 8 and 1 electron configuration, and hydrogen is having only one electron. Okay, so and potassium is having atomic number 19, so it can be written as 2, 8 and 1. So you see here, what is the similarity in this, that the last orbit is having one electron in sodium and in potassium and also in the hydrogen. So hydrogen can be placed in the alkali metal also, or that we can say the group 1. So the hydrogen can be placed in group 7 also, and it can be placed in group 1 also. So that was on considering the above properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the group alkali metal, that is group 1, or in the group of halogens, or that is group 7. So these are the 4 demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. So this is also one of the important topic as far as your SSC board exam is concerned. Thank you.